Hello everyone, and for those of the people who are watching or playing. Now, we will present the biography of Louis Pasteur. One day, December 27, 1822, there was a newborn baby named Louis Pasteur. He grew up with skilled at drawing and painting, and like a normal kid, he loves to play with friends. After few years, Louis reached his graduation in college. He got a lot of degree which is proud of. One day, they noticed that their wine and beer industry is weakening. So, this attracts his attention. So, he do a lot of his study and researches about it. One day, he demonstrated that organisms such as bacteria were responsible for souring wine, beer, and even milk. He called everyone in his place to tell them all about his research and findings. His germ study and research helped a lot of industry, like silk industry, and furthermore, his research has been widened that he invent more medicine that is related to curing of germs and bacteria. Few years later, Louis did something again for the medical industry. In 1873, Louis Pasteur was elected as an associate member of the Académie de Médecine. 1882, the year of his acceptance into the Académie Française, he decided to focus his efforts on the problem of rabies. His research about aid of vaccine has took years before he correctly did the formula. July 6, 1895, Joseph Mister, a 9 years old boy, had been bitten by a rabid dog. This attracts the attention of Louis Pasteur. He decided to make the kid as his hamster and try his formula in Joseph. Pasteur had been successful on his medication, and because of this, Louis Pasteur vaccine brought him immediate fame. Because of his success, Pasteur went to extend his germ theory to develop causes and vaccinations for diseases such as anthrax, cholera, TB, and smallpox.